Hi friends, currently 3.9 billion people suffer from untreated tooth decay, which is like 45% of world's population. The number of people suffering from tooth and gum disorders is tripling in the last 10 years. With the children, the figures are even getting worse. 7 out of 10 children have some kind of teeth and gum issues. This is because we are consuming processed, high sugar junk foods and sodas more and more. I know some people who drink more than 5 sodas in a day. On top of that, we are brushing with the chemical based toothpaste, which are making things even worse. We have forgotten our natural methods and good habits and simply following the stupid advices from the toothpaste manufacturers, which are purely profit oriented. I am going to share with you 5 important natural tips that can prevent teeth and gum diseases and can reverse in some conditions. Also, these tips involve no cost. Number 1. Avoid over brushing. We brush our teeth twice in a day, once in the morning and once before bed. Some people also brush after every meal, which is like 3 to 4 times in a day. Don't you think this is too much? Enamel is the hardest substance in our body, which is much stronger than the bones. But due to our bad habits, we are wearing away this enamel. That means there is something terribly wrong. We eat a lot, we snack all the day long, and we brush several times in a day with the toothpaste that contains tons of bad chemicals. Imagine you have got a sharp chopping knife and you are working in a restaurant and you need to chop vegetables 12 hours in a day. In between, you are washing the knife and chopping the vegetables again. Over the period of time, the knife loses its sharpness because the metal was worn away and damaged. The same thing happens to our teeth also. So, my first request is to avoid over brushing. Ideally, brushing once in a day is enough if you have good eating habits. Even though you have poor eating habits like drinking sodas, coffees, eating sugars, desserts, pizzas and so on, you can still brush once in a day and can prevent all teeth and gum diseases. I am going to explain how to do this in my suggestion number 3. Number 2. Do oil pulling with coconut oil or sesame oil combined with the cloves at least once in a week. The antibacterial and antifungal properties in the oil and clove treats gingivitis, prevents plaque and tartar formation, prevents cavities and several tooth diseases. So go natural. Nature has better solutions than these artificial chemicals. Number 3. Water rinsing or water flossing. This is the most important remedy of all. Whatever food you eat, if you follow this remedy, you can prevent the chances of teeth and gum diseases by 85%. Toothpaste companies and few doctors advise you to brush after every meal, which is not good. This can lead to sensitive teeth and causes more harm than help. My suggestion is to wash your mouth thoroughly with water after every meal, after every snack and after every drink. To understand this remedy, we have to observe our daily eating habits. What do we do daily? We eat breakfast in the morning, followed by some snacks, coffee and some sugars, followed by lunch. After lunch, we again have some snacks, sodas and some drinks, followed by the dinner. After dinner, we usually have some desserts and then snacks again before going to the bed. This is what we do daily and we cannot change this because we are used to this pattern. Comment below if you are also into similar eating patterns. Definitely, this pattern of eating is not good for your teeth and gums on long term. I am going to make a small variation for this that's going to make this still good. After every meal, after every snack and drink, rinse your mouth with fresh water. Take a sip of water, preferably at cold or room temperature, swish it through the mouth for few times for up to 30 seconds and spit it away. While you are doing that, use little force so you can feel that the water is going through the tiny gaps between teeth. This will clear all the food and debris from the teeth and wipes away any starch or sugars sticking onto the teeth and helps your teeth to refresh. This remedy is nothing new. This has been practiced by the people from several centuries, but due to our bad habits, we have forgotten this altogether. So, in short, my third suggestion is to rinse or flush your mouth with water after every meal, after every snack, and after every drink. Also, you can get water flossing devices in the market. These devices can range up to $100, but they essentially do the same thing as my remedy. Well, my remedy costs you absolutely nothing. Comment below if you are gonna try the water rinsing method after every meal and snack. Number 4. Avoid sodas. Sweets, desserts, ice creams, they were there from several years. Those were not the real culprits. The real culprit is soda. People actually started seeing teeth diseases when they started drinking sodas. You can try this. Leave a tooth in the soda for 1 week, and after that, notice the tooth got discolored and the enamel was weakened. The combination of carbon dioxide and sugars in the sodas can cause a bacteria that can cause erosion and damaging effect for up to 20 minutes after every sip. So, if you are drinking a soda and drinking it slowly for like 30 minutes because you are watching a movie, you are actually causing a damaging effect on teeth which lasts more than 1 hour. Also, sugar-free and diet sodas are even worse when it comes to damaging the teeth. So avoid sodas if possible, but if you still want to drink sodas, then use straw to minimize the contact of soda with the teeth. And strictly avoid sodas before going to the bed. Also, when you are drinking packed juices like lemonade, orange juice or apple juice, always use straw to minimize the contact with the teeth. Comment below if you have decided to reduce the sodas or avoid it completely. Number 5. Change your brushing style. Don't apply pressure while you are brushing. Most people are in a rush to go to work or to the school, and we want to finish brushing fast. We think that using more pressure can help to clean the teeth faster, but that's wrong. It actually harms later on. You should use 2 fingers to hold the brush and gently go over the teeth in circular motion for front teeth and back and forth motion for the back teeth. No pressure at all. Finish in 2 minutes. That's all. These are the 5 habits that can prevent any kind of tooth and gum diseases. Remember, nature is best, and look out for natural solutions for all tooth and gum diseases. Thank you. Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.